If Canva is showing an image not found error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This is a super common issue, and it can happen for a few different reasons, like a temporary loading problem, a failed upload, a weak internet connection, or even cached browser data, causing Canva to display the wrong version of your image. The good news is that most of the time, you can solve it in just a few minutes. Before we get into the fixes, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you out, and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. The first thing to try is a simple refresh. In many cases, Canva just needs to reload the page properly. On Windows, press Ctrl and R on your keyboard. On Mac, you can use Command and R. After refreshing, wait a moment and check whether the image loads correctly. If it was just a temporary glitch, this alone may solve the issue immediately. If the image still says not found, the next step is to re-upload the image. Go to the Upload section inside Canva, then click Upload Files and select the image again from your device. Sometimes the original upload didn't finish correctly, or the file may have been interrupted during transfer. Re-adding the image gives Canva a fresh copy to work with, which often fixes missing image errors right away. If that still doesn't work, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Canva from loading assets properly, especially if you're working with large image files. Open a browser and search for speed test, then run a quick test to see if your connection is stable. If the speed is very low or the connection keeps dropping, switch to a stronger network, reconnect your Wi-Fi, or try again once your internet is more reliable. A lot of image errors are really just loading problems caused by poor connectivity. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache. Cached images and old website data can sometimes confuse Canva and make it display missing or broken image links. To do this, open your browser menu, usually the three dots in the top corner. Then go to Settings, Open Privacy or Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files are selected, then clear the data. After that, restart your browser, reopen Canva, and check the image again. This step often solves display problems that keep coming back. If the issue still appears after that, try a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Edge. If you're on Edge, try Chrome. Sometimes the browser itself is the problem, especially if an extension, update, or temporary bug is interfering with Canva. Testing the same design in another browser is a quick way to find out whether the issue is browser related. If the image loads normally in the new browser, then you know the problem is with your original one, not Canva itself. At this point, one of these fixes usually solves the Canva image not found error. Start with a refresh, then re-upload the image, check your internet speed, clear your cache, and finally test another browser. That order is the easiest and fastest way to troubleshoot without wasting time. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials that save you time. If you want, I can also make a follow-up video on how to fix Canva upload issues, broken image links, or other common Canva errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.